Organic Food Stand TV. Like, share, subscribe. Hey y'all, I'm over here in the park and I happen to come across some tamarind. Y'all dare me to eat this? What is this stuff? Let me see. Where's it coming from? Lo and behold. You see all of them tamarinds on this tree? Just chilling here in this park? Wait a minute. There you go. That's a better picture of it. Tamarinds just hanging out here in the park. Y'all dare me to eat one of these things? I wonder how they taste.